We're going to go out there a little bit on this one. This one was sent in by request. Somebody had heard me do it a long time ago, but we're going to go out there and do it. Actually, since there was nobody that ever really sang the actual professional version, we're going to go for it and see what we can do with it today. Hope y'all enjoy. To satisfy your pride. Now you wish that you still had her, and you feel just like a fool. You let her walk away. Now just don't feel the same. Gotta blame it on something. Gotta blame it on something. Blame it on the rain, yeah, that's falling. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain. Yeah, yeah. You can blame it on the rain. You should have told her you're sorry. Could have said you were wrong. But no, you couldn't do that. Had to prove you were strong. If you hadn't been so blinded, she might still be there with you. You want her back again, but you just don't feel the same. Gotta blame it on something. Gotta blame it on something. Blame it on the rain, yeah, that's falling. Blame it on the stars that shines at night. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah. Gotta blame it on the rain.
'Cause the rain don't mind,
And the rain don't care. You got to blame it on something. Blame it on the rain, yeah, that's falling. Blame it on the stars that shines at night. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah. You can blame it on the rain. Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah.
blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah. Blame it on the
Blame it
rain,
on the rain, blame it on the rain, blame it on the rain, baby.
blame it on the
Blame
rain,
it on the stars that shine at night.
blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah.
Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah.
Blame it on the rain,
Blame it on the stars that shine at night.
whatever you do, don't put the blame on you.
God bless. Have a great day.